Thank you for your purchase of Dash Opal Tricycle. This tricycle comes with sturdy plastic material, front and rear basket, musical head and some other unique features. Please follow this instruction video carefully to know how to assemble the product and to know the amazing features of it. We will now assemble this beautiful tricycle by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. First, attach the rear wheels to the axle rod by using rear wheel packing bush. Then, insert wheel on both sides and lock the same with side washer and pin and also cover it with wheel cap. Next is to place front handle to the main body. Also place the front basket simply by putting it in the front fork rod. Next is to insert two AA batteries to the handle cap to activate bright LED lights and lively music. Now, place the handle to the main body and lock it with the help of provided screws. Next, cover the front handle screw with the handle fitting cap. In last, place rear basket to the main body and lock it with white plastic screw. In last, place the backrest to the main body and lock the same. Your Dash Opal Tricycle is now ready to use. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.